The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has revealed a study from 2014 to 2016 on passenger vehicles that are expensive or cheap to crash. So here's a whole list that's going to tell you if you're going to spend a lot of money or not a lot of money on crashing your car. The data is broken down into 3 categories: claim frequency, claim severity, and overall losses. Claim frequencies are per 100 insured vehicle years, while claim severity is average loss payment per claim. The overall losses are average payments per insured vehicle year. First, let's run down the 5 least expensive cars to crash. Number 5, the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible, which is perhaps the most surprising car on this list. Not surprising, however, is its low claim frequency of 2.8 and its claim severity of $7,145, highest of all the cars on the list. Overall losses, however, are $204, landing the drop-top Vette on the 5th spot. Number 4, Kia Soul Electric. The funky Kia Soul EV has an overall loss of $189, making it one of the cheapest cars to crash. Claim frequency is 5.0 for the electric crossover, while claim severity is $3,786. Number 3, Ford F-250. The cheaper of the 2 Ford Super Duty pickups to crash is the F-250, with overall losses at $187. Compared to the F-350, however, the F-250 has a bigger claim severity at $4,940. Its 3.8 claim frequency value is lower than the F-350 though. Number 2, Ram 1500. Ram's popular 1500 pickup is one of the cheapest vehicles to crash, with overall losses of $185. Claim severity at $4,065 is higher than the 2500, while the claim frequency is lower at 4.5. And number 1, the cheapest car to crash according to IIHS and HLDI data is the Smart ForTwo Electric. It's probably not very surprising considering the subcompact doesn't even look like a car to some people. Claim frequency is 3.3, while the overall losses are only $162. Claim severity, however, isn't the lowest on the list at $4,921. Now let's get to the good stuff, the most expensive cars to crash. Number 5 is the Maserati Gran Turismo. The luxury sports coupe has a claim frequency of 8.5, and each claim isn't cheap, with the claim severity reported at $18,785. Overall losses for the Gran Turismo total $1,597. Number 4 is the BMW i8. It isn't an M model that's the most expensive BMW to crash, but rather it's the BMW i8 Hybrid Sports Coupe. Claim frequency is 7.7, while claim severity is $21,588, which isn't too surprising considering the price tag on the BMW i8, along with the technology and components used on the car. Overall losses for the i8 is $1,657. Number 3 is the Bentley Continental GTC. But it isn't any of the German or Italian automakers that are the most expensive cars to crash. That honor goes to the UK, with Bentley taking the top 3 spots. Kicking off the top 3 of the Bentleys is the Continental GT Convertible, with a claim frequency of 6.5. Claim severity totals $29,478, and overall losses are $1,923. Number 2, another Bentley, the Continental Flying Spur. The 4-door version of the Continental is called the Flying Spur, and it's second on the list with a claim frequency of 8.1 and an overall losses of $2,338. Claim severity is actually lower than the Continental GTC at $28,816. And the most expensive car to crash is the Bentley Continental GT. According to IIHS and HLDI data, the Bentley Continental GT is the most expensive car to crash. Claim frequency for the luxury coupe is 7.1, while claim severity is at $35,744, which is around the price of an average car sold in the US. Overall losses on the Bentley Continental GT is $2,536. Usually we envy people that drive Continental GTs, but not in this aspect. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.